All right, I'm going to outline the process for hypothesis testing for two sample means. So as you can see, if I zoom out a little bit there, what you'll see is these are the blanks that we want to fill in for two sample hypothesis test. They're very similar to the one sample. The main difference is our null and alternate. So my null is that we think the two means are the same. Notice I use mu's instead of x bars. That's just the standard notation that we use here. Okay, and my alternate would be that mu1 does not equal mu2. Technically, we could use less than or greater than as well, but I like to keep it simple and that they're either the same or they're different. Okay, this is my measuring stick of 5%. And my T-stat and my DF, as we saw in the one sample, are to give us stats credibility. So this is what StatCrunch is doing for us, so we're going to fill in those blanks. What I really care about is the p-value. And I want to know if it's small and in the tail, because if it's small and in the tail, then I would reject the null. If it's big and not in the tail, then I would keep the null. So here, what that means is that if I end up keeping the null, so it's greater than 5%, but what that really means is that the null was that they're the same. So if I keep the null, my conclusion is that they are the same. The two means are the same. Sorry, my M got a little funky. If I have that I reject the null, so if my P was less than 5%, then that's showing that the two means are statistically different. And so that's what I would want to write in my conclusion, is that according to our data, the two means are, and I would either do that they're the same or that they're different. So that's what we want to decide, is that are the two means the same or are the two means in fact different? Okay, so my next video we're going to use StatCrunch in order to get all of this information and then make our conclusion.